Good afternoon, folks. I'm at a customer's house trying to show them how to run the vacuum cleaner that comes with the blue Whirlpool classic pool. So it's called a creepy crawler, and as you can see, it's down there pulsing right now, doing its job. You got the hose running over to your skimmer over there. So I'll walk over here and show you. Unfortunately, they have a bunch of trees, which is making it very difficult for this pool to stay as clean as we would love it to stay. But I'm going to show you what you do after your creepy crawler picks up all the trash that it's picking up. You're going to need to get down here and empty this pot, okay? So what you'll do is you'll shut the pump off. You're going to turn this to closed. Turn this to closed. Okay? You're going to have a little bit of water come out of here, but not much. It's got a little seal that's got to be broken. We'll just create a little air pocket.
No pressure.
So now you don't have the pressure on it. Put the little plug back in it. Should go. Tighten her back up. Surprise! Now we got a whole basket full of trash. Just going to empty that out. That way your pump can be optimal on the suction. Stick the basket back in. Close her back up. We're going to turn your main drains back off. Okay. You're going to open this, take it back to filter mode, let your pump start filling up. Okay. Then turn it back on. Now your creepy crawler is ready to go back to work. All right, folks. That's about all there is to it. This is how it's going to look. You got an adjustment knob that'll make you go faster or slower. You turn it to the right to go faster. You'll hear a little clicking noise. It's pulsing. Or you can make it go slower by turning it to the left. Okay? Thanks for visiting and enjoy your pool.